In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make Google Chrome run faster on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. Now once you open your Chrome browser, you just have to click on the three dots right here in the top right corner. Then you have to click on settings, the one with the girl-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to scroll down and then you have to click on system. Now here you'll find this option, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Make sure to disable this option by switching the button off. Okay, so once you switch the button off, in the list of options on the left pane, you will find reset settings, so click on that. Restore settings to their original defaults, click on that. Do not worry if you are going to take this action, as this will not affect the bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. It will just reset some Chrome settings on Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, and also delete the cookies. So simply click on reset settings. And still in the options on the left pane, you have to click on extensions. So if you have a lot of extensions right here on your Chrome browser, you might just have to disable that or completely remove that from your Chrome browser, especially if you are not using that extension. Just have to simply remove that, as faulty extensions can also cause low performance for your Chrome browser. So just have to simply disable that. And also you have to make sure to update your Chrome browser. Click on about Chrome, and this will check or update your Chrome browser. So close your Chrome browser, then go to the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Click on it under the best match. Once you open the network connections window, locate your network adapter, make a right click and then select properties. Now here in the properties window, you have to click on the IPv4 or the Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Now here you'll find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS. So for the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. So this is the Google's DNS, one of the greatest DNS. Simply click on OK. Close this and close this. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows by doing all of the effective methods that will make your Chrome faster, okay, on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.